What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So you can see by the header, we're going to be doing the exhaust today. Let's get to it. So I already got the front pretty much welded up, ready to go. Got this section mocked up, ready. Got the pipe all laid out. So pretty much all I have to do is just measure, cut, and then weld my hangers on it. Muffler's gonna sit right back here. There's just enough room in between the gas tank and the spring perch, so it's gonna fit perfect. So other than that, it's pretty much just straightforward. Just gotta measure, cut, and weld. So let's get started. Alright, so now that I got that all tacked up, I'm going to measure the rest of the pipe, tack those up, and then I'll bring it all down as one piece, weld it all up full. So let's get back to it. So I got it measured out. It's going to be 42 inches. So I have a chop saw, but I'm just going to use the Sawzall for right now, just to get it done with real quick. I don't feel like pulling out the chop saw. But then after I do that cut, I'm gonna have to measure how tall to go on both of these. Same with that side. But that length will probably stay the same because it does fit so good in here. It'll fit in just like that. Actually slides in there, but can't do it with just one hand right now. So let's cut that, get that mocked up, get it tacked up, and then worry about those bins later. Okay, so I got everything pretty much tacked up. Let me show you. So everything's pretty much done. Got the cut right here. That's probably gonna be, because I have to weld that tip on last because I'm not gonna be able to fit it over this rear end. Everything's pretty much tacked up until that point. That one's already completely welded up. So now I just gotta take it down, weld it all up, and then I can tack the rear end, or tack the back of it up, and then weld that, and then we'll be good. Alright guys, got it all finished up. Let's hear what it sounds like. Alright, so there it is. I say it sounds pretty good. I still have to finish welding on the hanger. That's why it shakes a lot. But I have one on there, so I just need to weld the other one to hold the muffler up. But other than that, she's done. So she sounds pretty good. I like it a lot. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Share with your friends, and then I'll see y'all next time. Thanks.